my new 2026 Yamaha MT09. Brand new. Just doing some little things to it, putting some tank pads on. I've got a windscreen here, TFT dash protector, little winglet. But yeah, look, as you can see, there isn't a pillion seat. It's over here. Hey, look at this. So, according to the delivery man, the pillion seat flew off while it was coming here on a trailer and got destroyed. Absolutely destroyed. Like this doesn't even, like that's real loose. Look at that. Like, now this actually holds the whole seat on, so without it the seat just comes straight off. So I've got to work that out. Bit of a pain in the butt, but you get that on the big jobs. So yeah, very happy. Not with that. That's not too bad, but yeah, she's looking pretty schmick. I like it. The gloss accents with the matte black paint, I just think looks absolutely stunning from the side, especially with the DRS lights on. DRS. Think about F1. But yeah, very, very nice. I've actually got to work a way out to put this on the seat and have it hold. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. Gonna have to look up some videos on how this works, because like, look at that. I don't know what position this little piece is meant to be in. I think that might hook onto there somewhere. Not too sure. But yeah, obviously it's not gonna really hold very well, so we will see what we can do. In the meantime, I am going to keep on putting some little bits on. So let's see how she looks afterwards. Hell yeah. Just putting the TFT protector on right now. The corners are shaped differently. Now I just got to get the air bubbles out. That's it on. Next up we have our little winglet. I decided to go with like a little, it's a baby one, just to fit there. I just think it looks really nice from the side. I don't know, I'm not a big fan of the massive front winglets that come all the way out the side here. You know, ultra downforce. I just kind of like the look of it, just extending out a bit. I think it just looks nicer. But yeah, these things don't come with any 3M or anything around the bit there, so hopefully it holds nice and well. Only an Allen bolt, so we'll put that in now. And pretty easy job. I also really like how this is the same color as the trim here and like there. So yeah, I think it looks really nice actually. Like I said, I'm not like a huge fan of winglets, so it might not last. It might stay on, it might come off, but we'll figure that out. Now it's time for the little windscreen. Looks a little complicated. We've got some instructions. Lots of little fiddly bits here. And on the brackets, little spaces and stuff, so we'll work out how to use them. So let's put it on. Well, looks like I'm not putting the screen on today because they sent me 2 of the same sided bracket. Well, if you liked the video so far, make sure to drop a subscribe because I have more parts on the way. I'll be doing an exhaust and a belly pan install, so stick around for some more videos. Cheers guys, peace.